Mastering the art of folding and storing clothes in English. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our video series on conversational English. Today, we're moving forward with our theme of evening routines, specifically focusing on household chores and responsibilities, and even more specifically, on the task of laundry. We'll be diving deep into the topic of folding and putting away clothes. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand how to talk about this common household chore in English, but also pick up some handy phrases that you can use in your day-to-day conversations. First, let's explore the essential vocabulary for this task. Here are a few terms and phrases that will be incredibly useful. Folding clothes. Making clothes compact by bending them on themselves in certain ways. Sorting clothes. Separating clothes usually by their type or color. Putting away clothes. Placing clothes back into their designated storage areas, like a closet or a drawer. Laundry basket. A container where dirty clothes are placed before they are washed. Wardrobe, closet. A large, tall cupboard or recess in which clothes may be hung or stored. Drawer. A box-shaped storage compartment without a lid, made to slide horizontally in and out of a desk, chest, or other piece of furniture. These are words and phrases that will frequently come up as we explore the topic further. Now that we have our essential vocabulary, let's learn how to construct sentences around these phrases and words. 1. Simple sentences. 2. I am folding the laundry. 3. I am putting away my clothes in the drawer. 4. The laundry basket is full of dirty clothes. 5. Questions and answers. 6. Where do you put your clothes after folding them? I put them in the wardrobe. 7. Are you done sorting the clothes? Yes, I have sorted the clothes by color. 8. Narrating a process. 9. First, I sort the clothes by type. Then, I start folding them neatly. Finally, I put away the clothes in the wardrobe or drawers. Let's now put these sentences into some conversational scenarios. This will give you an idea of how these phrases can be used in real-life situations. Scenario 1. Talking with a friend. Friend. What are you doing this evening? You. I have to do some household chores. I am planning to fold and put away my clothes. Scenario 2. Instructing someone. You. Could you please sort the clothes by color? After that, start folding them, and then put them away in the wardrobe. And that's it for today's lesson. You've learned some essential vocabulary related to folding and putting away clothes, how to construct sentences with these words, and finally, how to use these phrases in different scenarios. We hope you found this video helpful. Practice using these phrases in your daily English conversations and we're sure you'll master them in no time. See you in the next video.